Oh, hi guys, welcome. Well, we're staying here tonight at the Grand Floridian in the Boca Chica building on the 3rd floor. Want to come inside? Alright, well, come on this way. We'll first start off in the bathroom. Right here, what I love is that the fact that it has 2 sinks. So let's say Angel decides to take forever washing her hands because, you know, COVID and everything. I can start washing my hands here. I can do whatever I need to do right here. Probably one of my favorite things is the fact that it has a freaking hamper in here for some odd reason, but I guess you can always put our dirty towels in there. And then, you know, you can never have too little H2O plus products. So we have a grand amount here. Probably honestly gotta ask for more just to take home, but more for me. And then we'll head into this way. Right here we have our grand boat of our bathtub, more H2O plus products here. And then we also have our toilet. So, excuse me.
A few moments later.
Okay, well, now that business is done, let's go ahead to the rest of the room. Just kidding. We have our closet first. So here, we always have our extra set of pillows and blankets. There is a pull-out couch, well, pull-out-ish couch that we'll show later on. And then, a small surprise in here. I know this might be dependent on what room you're staying, but mine comes with a little angel. And then we also have our safe here, our hair dryer. Then we're gonna go and check the other side of the closet right here. And there she is again. Go back, go back. And then we have our hangers here, our iron, and then we also have the suitcase holder here. I forget the name of it, but it's in there if you need it. And then we'll slowly go into the rest of the room, but probably look up first. Right behind is our chandelier. It kind of just adds to the feel of Grand Floridian. But let's come on to the rest of the room. So here we have our entertainment system right next to me. Always have to have our Disney Channel. If you also want to take a look down here, we also have a whole bunch of plugs and USB ports, which is perfect because I gotta plug in my phone, watch, iPad, and that's just my stuff because we also have other people here, so we gotta take care of them too. We also have a whole bunch of storage here, 4 on this side, 4 on this side as well, and then a fridge. Here we also have our beds here. There's bed 1 and bed 2 next to each other. They are queen size beds. In the middle in between, you're gonna see another plug, also USB ports. We also have more storage here. The beds are super comfy and soft, and they're super pressed. I really don't want to, but it's just so nice. I don't want to touch anything in this room. But aside from that, we also have our pull-out couch, which I guess I'll demonstrate real quick when we move all this stuff. So there's a small black strap right behind, and all you do is just force it down. And here's the extra bed. And that's where the pillows and blankets also come in handy too. And then putting it back up might be a little bit more struggle compared to pulling it down, but it's whatever. And right here we have everything that I would ever need to get ready in the mornings. We have our coffee, our mid-sized Keurigs, plenty of coffee choices. We also have green tea, English breakfast tea, creamers, sugars, and then over here we have everything that we would need to keep my drinks cold. So we also have our ice bucket here, our cups here, lids, and everything's individually wrapped too. And then also if you kind of check in the back too, there's also some USB ports. And then probably my best feature of this is the fact that it comes here with an extra slide. And let's go ahead and check outside for one of my favorite views of the room. Let's head out to the patio. And as you can see, we're kind of just outside here. We have a great view of everything that the resort has to offer. What's great about here is that there's also the transportation from the Magic Kingdom using boats. It's actually right down there, right next to Narcoossee's restaurant. So Narcoossee's is a really great restaurant here, literally water view of the Magic Kingdom. Once fireworks are back up and running, it'll be one of the best spots to see here. And then you can kind of see the whole restaurant from here. And then if you kind of peek past that, you'll see Magic Kingdom. What a great view, better than the Grand Floridian to have that. If you kind of look over there, you can also see the construction of Tron. You can see Space Mountain. Look a little bit further down, you can even see the monorail leaving from the Contemporary. So what better view would you want staying at the Grand Floridian than here? Well, unfortunately, all things have to come to an end, but I think I hear something calling my name at the Magic Kingdom. But it's definitely been great having you guys with us. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tour of the Grand Floridian. Have a good day. Gotta start my vacation.